almost out of gas. What is that? What is that? That's a CBR 600. What's up, bro? Okay, yeah. Oh. How long you been waiting at this light?
This is the first cycle, man. I was gonna run it until you showed up.
Oh, you should have just did it. I'm past this.
I know. It's always this light, dude.
Ah, now we got this awkward car there. Ah.
We might be heavy enough now. I don't know.
Huh?
We might be heavy enough now. I'm not sure.
Oh, I hope so. I don't think that's how these things work anymore.
I don't know.
I think they just don't like bikes. That's it. Yep. Lights. Oh. What?
I'm gonna run it.
That's, yeah, you got to. Well, at this point, we got to. We don't have a choice. Like this huge bike in front of me. He's I don't know what they call these types of bikes, but I've seen them often. Oh, you can pull in front of me, bro. You got it. I'm just chilling back here. I'm not even going fast. I already got what I need. I really legitimately already got what I need. I don't need nothing else. Oh, this was worth it. This was great. Man, you know when people be like, you gotta stretch your legs out. I definitely just stretch my legs, bro. It's a beautiful day. All right, guys, I cut it back on when we get to where we get to. This is probably gonna be like slow, boring. No one wants to see this. No one. Carbon with the mountains and the breeze and the air. Be out here. With the Rubicon. I got the Rubicon, baby. Did you get the picture of the Rubicon? Did you get the picture of the Rubicon, baby? Get the picture of the Rubicon. Hey, you know, my mic probably don't even work no more because I was going that day. I was going quickly. This is a great Instagram post right now. Hold on. Yeah, or a YouTube. What's the name? What's a YouTube short? Yeah. All right, man. I'll be right back. Hey, you know, you gotta say what's up to Trice, because I'm gonna be honest with you. Most of us is heading that way. Okay, we're gonna end up on a train. I think I'm when I get, you know, like age, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get me a Can-Am. Give me a Can-Am or a slingshot. Yeah, that sounds more my speed, you know. All right. Bro, I can't stop. I can't keep my camera off long enough. Look at the clouds forming up there. And I just found out that my bike can tell me how much miles per gallon I'm getting. Right now I'm getting 36 and I'm going 41 miles, well 62. Oh my God. And I'm only going 42 miles per hour right there, so. probably wrong. That's probably what's wrong with the bike. My homie I met at the light is all the way up there. He decided to go around. I didn't feel like doing that, but I wanted to get this freaking view of these mountains, these clouds, bro. Like, whoa, look how beautiful that is, man. Freaking nature, man. Freaking nature. I freaking love it. Me and my guy right here on this red machine, man, we just out here, we chilling, we're relaxing. Yeah, see, I knew he had, if I wanted to run through red car, I would just go through all these cars. Like, I wouldn't care about none of this. But I was planning on chilling here at the Overlook. I think everybody likes to come to the Overlook. I love the Overlook. The Overlook being free, this is the best. Me and you, we're gonna go together, buddy, okay? Best friends for life. Best friends forever. Look at this. Look at all these people. Oh my god. Oh my god. You think I'm gonna make some friends? I don't have no tag. It gives you negative connotations when you ain't got no tag. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bus lane. Ooh, it smells like weed up here. Oh, it's got that dank, baby. It's got that dank. Yeah. I'm almost out of gas and shit. Out here hanging out with the broskies. We out here with the bros. Is that a SRT? Holy shit. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. That's nice and different. 650 with the low vines. KTM, Duke. Hey, that's mine right there with the FZ.
Yeah, I didn't know that. What the fuck? Why did we do that?
It's nice. R1. Can't go wrong with a nice R1. With the Graves exhaust. I heard good things about Graves. In the gold wing, in the motherfucking gold wing. We got the look, I was trying to put my key in there. Got the GX14s over there and 650s. Oh yeah, this is it. This is why the fuck just did all that illegal shit. Wow, it's so nice out here though. So nice out here. Alright guys, I'll be back. I'll be right back. Let me go bask in the ambiance of this. Peace. Alright. So we're gonna make our ending, our beginning, blah 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 blah, from Indian motorcycle dealership to hitting the mountains up out here to riding out here to go look at Red Rock. Man, we had a good day. It was a good bike day, buddies. I don't think we didn't make any friends, but we damn sure didn't make no enemies today. So, you know, that's what I like. That's what I like. So our whole festivities, we spent $12.73. No, I do not want no receipt. Yeah, man. So as always, it's your boys, Mr. 20 West. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and you know, if anything, hit that thumbs up for carbon fiber, bro. That's it. Peace.